Hello kids, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Myself, Rupa Gupta, your computer teacher, I am back with one more video. This video is for standard 4th. Here in this video, we are going to start the new chapter, that is lesson number 5, MSW logo, drawing polygons and circles. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to draw different polygons and circles using the logo program. Okay, the full form of this program is MSW logo. MS means Microsoft Windows logo. It is a programming language. Now, in this lesson, you will learn to draw different types of polygons. And what is this polygons known as? Polygon is the name for all the closed figures with a certain number of edges like triangles, squares, pentagons and hexagon, to draw different figures with variable numbers. Now triangles, now example polygon, triangle is a closed figure and it is having 3 sides. Square is a 4-sided figure, it is also a closed figure. You can draw rectangles and pentagons with 5 sides, hexagon with 6 sides. Okay, you can draw any shape figure. Here we'll also learn how to draw the circles. Okay, you can also draw this your initials of your names, any shape figure. It should be straight and okay. So let us start. What you will learn about in this chapter: drawing a line, square and triangle. Then the commands pen up, pen down, pen erase and pen normal commands, hide turtle and show turtle commands and repeat command. So let us start. Here it is shown here L-shaped figure, means it two lines with an angle. Here when the line is joining, there is one angle. Okay, let us first open logo program. How to open logo program? You have to click on the start button. In the start button, all programs, and in all programs you will see Microsoft Windows logo folder. Click on that and click on the Microsoft Windows logo option. So this is your logo window. Okay, there is a logo screen and this logo screen is divided into two parts. Okay, here this blank space where the triangle is there, this area is known as the main screen, okay, or the graphic screen, or this is also known as the field. This window where the commander is written, this is known as the commander window. Okay, these are the two main parts of the logo screen. One is the main screen or the graphic screen and the commander window. Now this commander window is again divided into two parts. Here we are writing the commands. Okay, before that, this triangle on the screen is known as the turtle. Now whichever commands you will give, the turtle will work on that command, and this is basic programming language. So our simple language, how we speak in English, that using that words only, here the commands are made, so it is easy for you all to study. So the commands, the turtle will understand that commands we have. When we are writing, the turtle will work on that command. Okay, and the turtle is divided into two parts. Okay, this turtle is divided into two parts. The top pointed part, this one, the top pointed part is known as the head, and the bottom broad part is known as the tail. Okay, here this the place where we write the commands, we all write the commands over here. This is known as the command input box. This is known as command input box. And after writing the command, to run the command, we have to press the enter key, or we can press the execute button. Okay, this execute button. After we type the commands and we press the enter key, the turtle will work on that command. Okay, and after pressing the enter key, as soon as we press the enter key, it will go in this area. This is known as the recall list box. Let us try one command. So simple command to make the turtle move forward. Okay, if you want to move the turtle forward, the command is forward command, and in short we are writing as FD. Okay, we can write in small letters also or capital letters. And after that, now the turtle, if you write only FD, it will not understand. It will ask you how, means if I tell you to walk, okay, but you will tell me, ma'am, how much we have to walk or till what position we have to walk. Same with we have to give this number of steps to the turtle, how much step it should walk. So to write the command, after that we have to leave the space and you have to write the number of steps. Take an example, if you want to make the turtle walk 80 steps, so just write 80. So in between the number of steps and the command, so we have written here command and number of steps. In between that space is very important, otherwise the turtle will not understand. So press the enter key. See, as soon as we have pressed the enter key, the commands has been kept over here in the recall list box and the turtle have worked on that command. Okay, then if you want to move more forward, you can write FD 10. Okay, we'll just write 10 space 10. See, it have moved. Okay, then if you want to move the turtle's head towards the right side, so we can use right command. So to make the turtle move towards the right, the command is right turn, RIGHTTURN, right turn, and the short form is RT. With the RT we have to write angle. Okay, we have to write the angle, degree, at what degree it should move. We are writing now 90. Okay, like in your PT period you are doing a left turn, right turn, tick about turn. So when left turn or right turn, we have to write only 90. And if you want to move about turn, like if you want to move the turtle's head upside down, then we have to write 180 degree. Now we will write RT 90. See, I'll press the enter key, the turtle head will move towards the right side. Okay, then we'll make a move forward, FD 100. Okay, now if you want to move the turtle backside, okay, from its tail, it will move from its tail. To move from the backward, the command is backward command. Okay, BACKWARD, backward, and the short form is BK. Here also we have to write the number of steps. So whenever you are writing the command and number of steps or any number, we have to leave the space. So we'll write 200. So you can see the image has been drawn. Okay, and if you want to move the turtle head towards the left side, we have to use LT 90. See, it will go towards the 90 upside. Okay, if you write RT or LT 180, it will take about turn, is upside down. Okay, this way. And if you write FD 100, it will go down. If you write BK 200 will take, it will go back. Okay, understood? Now if you want to clear your main screen, this area, to clear the main screen, the command is clear screen. Okay, and in short we will write CS, that is clear screen, enter. See, the turtle have erased everything and it came in the center of the screen where it was first sitting. Okay, this is the home of the turtle. This center position is the home of the turtle, and if you want to make this turtle to come in the center, the command is home. Okay, we will do it later on. The command is home. And if you want to clear everything in the recall list box, the command is CT, because the text is there. So to clear the text, we have to write clear text, that is CT. Okay, now let us go with this. Here the turtle, to draw two lines with an angle, these instructions are given. We will follow this instruction and we will write. We'll write the command and we'll draw this image. Okay. So the command is rt space 180. So 180 means it will take a button, then fd space 100, then lt 90. So left side it will take 90 degrees, and fd space 100. Okay. See, if you do any mistake, what happens? We'll just see. FD, I will not write any numbers. So what happens? See, it is still not enough inputs to FD. It is not enough. We have to write a number of steps. Or if you write FD 100, no space, then also it will show I don't know, means any error will come. So we have to rectify that error. Okay. So what is the error here? We have to leave the space. Press the enter key. Okay. See, now it's working. Let us clear everything. CS CT. Okay. Now to draw a square, we have to follow these instructions. Okay. So the command is fd100 rt90, fd100 rt90, because in square it is 90 degree. Okay, all the angles are at 90 degree and all the sides are equal, right, in square. So the number of steps will be equal. Let us draw the square. fd100 rt90, fd100 rt90, fd100 rt90, fd100 rt90. Okay, this is done. Now let us go to the chapter. Now to draw the triangle. The command is fd100 rt120, and that too 3 times, because it is a triangle. Here all the sides are equal for a triangle, so forward command is equal. Number of steps for forward command is same. So let us first clear everything. CS space CT. Okay. Now let's start. fd100 rt120. Okay, fd100 rt120 and fd100 rt120. So 3 times we are writing the same commands. This is your triangle. Let us clear again. CS space CT. Now next one is pen up. So what happens in pen up? Now you saw that the triangle where the turtle was moving, it was drawing the lines. Okay, so the turtle is having an imaginary pen. We are thinking that a turtle is having one pen, and as it moves it draws the line. Okay, but sometimes we don't want that the turtle should draw the line, but it should move. Okay, turtle should not draw the line, but it should move. That time we are going to use pen up command. In short, it is PU. So PU command is used to lift the pen of the turtle from the screen. As a result, the turtle does not draw anything. Thus, you can move the turtle to any part of the screen without drawing anything. Okay, after using the pen up command, we want that the turtle should now draw the line. Okay, so that time we are going to use pen down command. Okay, after the turtle have lifted the pen up and it has moved to the particular position, and then now we want that the turtle should draw the line. That after that we have to use pen down command. Pen down command, that is in short PD command, puts the pen of the turtle down on the screen. The turtle can thus start drawing anything when given the command. Okay, we will do it practically later on. Now pen erase command. What happens sometimes that unwanted lines have been drawn by the turtle. Okay, while we are doing some commands, and by mistake we have drawn extra lines and we want to erase that particular line, that time we can use pen erase command. Okay, so now I told you that a turtle is having an imaginary pen, what we are thinking. So what happens, it is drawing the line. So when the pen erase command have been entered, the turtle will throw that pen and it will lift up the eraser. Now it will work like an eraser. So what happens when you take the eraser, you erase the line or unwanted things. Same way when you use pen erase and you move the turtle, whichever line it comes in between the turtle, okay, on the way, when you move the turtle and on the way of the turtle any line comes, it will erase it. Okay, so the pen erase pe command drops the pen of the turtle and picks up the eraser. Any drawing command after pe command is used to erase the line instead of drawing them. Okay, and after that we have erased a particular lines, then we want that a turtle should behave normally. After that we have to use pen normal command. Okay, no shortcut for pen normal. Pen normal command makes the turtle behave normal. As you learned, any command after using PE makes the turtle erase the drawing. To make it behave normal, use pen normal command. After this command, the turtle can draw anything. Then we have the hide turtle command and show turtle command. Okay, with the hide turtle command, what happens? Sometimes we want to hide the turtle. Okay, so we can use the hide turtle or HT command. So HT command hides the turtle. You can no longer see it on the screen. However, it will continue to follow the commands being given. Okay, like in pen up, what happened? Pen up command, the turtle lifted the pen, but okay, and turtle was visible to us, and it was not drawing the line, but it was moving. But in hide turtle, what happens? It is invisible for us. It is not seen, but a turtle is present. So as you move the turtle will draw the line. Okay, and after that sometimes you want to see the turtle in which direction the turtle is there. So the command is show turtle, ST command. So ST command displays the turtle which was hidden due to the usage of HT command. So let us just revise this practically. So first let us draw some lines. FD 100, RT 90. Now I want to move the turtle without drawing line. So this time I will use PU command, that is pen up. Okay, let us move the turtle, FD 100. Now you have seen this much portion the turtle have moved without drawing the line because we have used pen up. Now make the turtle face downwards, that is RT 90. Now I want the turtle should draw the line. So we will write PD, that is pen down. Now move the turtle, FD 100. Okay, this is pen down. So now the turtle have been drawn the line. So here the line has not been drawn because we have used pen up. After that this line have been drawn because we have used pen down. Let us move the turtle in the center of this line, the same particular line, BK 50. Okay, half. So 50 is half. So let us make the turtle face this side. We'll make letter H. Okay, so this side is, let us see, right side RT space 90 and FD 200. Okay, oh, what happened? This line came extra. Okay, this line came extra. We don't want this line, particular line. We want only till here. So we have to use pen erase, that is PE command. Okay, now the turtle is having the eraser instead of the pencil. Now let us erase this line. So this is, we can erase by using BK 100. Okay, so write BK space 100. You have seen it has been erased. Now if you move the turtle more backward, let us see BK 100. Okay, it is erasing because still the eraser mode is on. Okay, and if you want that the turtle should behave properly, okay, normal command is pen normal. Now write FD 100. Now see, it is drawn. Now you want to only see this image what you have drawn, H, letter H. Okay, we don't want to see the turtle. Let us hide the turtle, that is HT. Hide turtle, HT. See, our H letter is seen. And see, I told you that when HT is there, only the turtle is hidden from us, but still it is present and it will draw the line. Let us make it move forward and let us see. FD 20. See, the turtle is moving. RT 90. FD 100. LT 90. FD 100. See, the turtle is there, it is drawing the lines. Okay, so you want to see the turtle back, right? Show turtle, ST. Now I told you one command, that home command is there. What happens? The turtle home is over here in the center. We want to bring the turtle at the center of the screen. We have to write home command. Now when you are using home command, what happens? Now turtle is having the pen, wherever it will go it will leave the line. Okay, so if it reaches home also, and now the pen down is there, it is in the pen mode, so it will draw the line by reaching its home. Let us see, HOME is typed, press enter key. See, it has reached its home and it has drawn the line. Okay, so wherever it will go it will draw the line. If you are anywhere, the turtle is anywhere in the screen and you want to bring it in the home, it will draw the line. Let's take an example. We'll write RT 45, FD 100, FD 100. Okay, now let us write home. Let's see what happens. See, again it was here and directly when I press home it came in the center by drawing the line. Okay, so let us now clear the screen. CS CT. Now we'll go to the next topic, that is the repeat command. Now repeat command, what happens? This command executes the instruction list again and again for the specified number of times. Repeat command is used in order to save you from doing repetitive work. When you have to draw figures like square and rectangle, you need to write the same set of commands repeatedly. Use the repeat command to avoid this. Now you remember in the starting we have drawn the square, the command is over here to draw the square. Okay, and how many times we have written? 4 times, right? So instead of this, how you will write? Using the repeat command. And for triangle also we have done it, we have written the same command 3 times. That also we will do. So the repeat command requires 2 parameters. What are the 2 parameters? The number of times to repeat and a list of commands to repeat. Okay, we have to write repeat. After that, how many number of times you want to repeat that. Okay, for example, for square we have to repeat 4 times because 4 sets are there. And list of commands, which command we have to repeat? This command. Okay, so here instead of writing this command FD100 RT90 for 4 times, we will write this way: repeat 4, and then we have to write it in the square bracket. Okay, there are 3 types of brackets: simple brackets, that is open and close simple bracket, C shape. Then we have curly brackets and square brackets. We have to use over here square brackets. Okay, so FD100 RT90, it is given in the square bracket, so that it will get repeated 4 times. Okay, and here one more command is that what happens when you use this command, we will try. Okay, repeat 12 times. So this command will be repeated 12 times and we'll get one figure. Let us start. So repeat. Okay, no shortcut also for the repeat command. Repeat 4, open bracket, FD100 RD90, close bracket. See, we got the square. Okay, so without writing the commands 4 times, we can use the repeat command. Okay, So this command we have to write 4 times, so repeat it 4 times and FD100. Now let us clear the screen. Now do you remember the command for the triangle? We have to, the triangle is having 3 sides, we had repeated the command 3 times. What was the command? FD100 RT 120. Okay, close the bracket, enter. If you want to make bigger triangle, so instead of 100 write 150 or whichever number you want more than 100. Okay, so let us see. So we got another big triangle, so let us try one more with 200. Wow, last one we'll just try with 250. Okay, so beautiful design, right? Let us now clear the screen. You will also practice on your computer. So on page number 72 I've shown you have to try this one. So let us try this one. Repeat 12 times FD 100 RT 150. Okay, close the bracket. Now if you write the same command with bigger number, let us take 150 instead of 100. We got a bigger triangle, but it's bigger design, but it's not clear. So let us draw it again. This one is the first one which is given in a book, and this one with 150. Okay, instead of 100 I have written 150 forward, that is the number of steps. So we got bigger image. Okay, so you all practice. We will continue the chapter how to draw a circle from the next video. Let us do the question and answers based on this topic what we have studied today. So first question, why do you use the hide turtle and show turtle commands? As you all know, hide turtle to hide the turtle and show turtle to see the turtle again. So hide turtle or HT command hides the turtle from the screen. Show turtle or ST command displays the turtle again which was hidden using HT command. Write the instructions to draw a triangle of each side as 50 using the repeat command. Okay, now we have drawn the turtle, we have drawn a triangle using 100, 150, 200. Now same it is given 50, so we have to write repeat 3 FD 50 RT 120. Let us do it. Let us clear the screen first and clear the text. So repeat 3 times, triangle is having 3 sides, FD 50 RT 120. Okay, we got a smaller triangle. So question number 3, what is the use of the pen normal command? Pen normal command makes the turtle behave normal and not work as an eraser any longer. Question number 4, state the difference between the pen up and pen down commands. Pen up or PU command is used to lift the pen of the turtle from the screen so that the turtle will not draw anything. Pen down or PD command puts the pen of the turtle down on the screen so that the turtle can start drawing again by giving commands. I hope you all have understood till here. Please read the chapter, practice at home, download logo and practice. Do it practically. Okay students, thank you. Students, take care of yourself. Bye. We'll meet you soon again.